I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great and celebrated Ugadi Festival. So today I brought for you the exclusive varieties from Fancy Designer section. Only fancy saree with fancy blouse. If I talk about this collections, there are 3 varieties of fabrics which I'm going to show you in this video. So fancy boutique retailers, this collections will be very helpful to you, and saree retailers, dealers, wholesalers, you can add into your business. These collections give huge profit. So subscribe the channel, easily watch this video, and you can quickly place an order by COD options pan India. Worldwide shipping, transport is there. No damages, no worry about the transport shipping. Let's see the samples. Every saree I'll show you the with photocopy. The beautiful saree, which is first pattern, is Asa Silk. This is one kind of silk fabric. You can see here. The beautiful saree, plain saree with blouse, Asa Silk. The saree which having a lace. In this lace, you have a sequence work with the pista green color, and the designer saree with chocolate color thread work. Peacock design with a beautiful small plant with is given here with a white color base. This is the fancy designer blouse, which is Asa Silk. The photo will be like this. You can stitch with the same pattern of the designer fancy blouse. So this is a beautiful saree. इसको अभी fold करके यहीं पे रखना, ऐसे fold करिए. The next saree is very pretty. If I talk about this saree, the favorite color, which is a maroon color, very famous, beautiful saree. This is a glossy silk. The glossy silk, the fancy, very soft, plain fabric. You can see here. Okay, this is the chumki work, and it comes on the hip, which is a fancy, which is a lace with the, see, which is highlighted in the, this is original touch 2 is the code. Very beautiful saree. These all sarees you can easily add into your business with the multiple huge profit, and especially the youngsters, college girls, which they can like. Which is next is rocket silk. The rocket silk, this is a beautiful saree. You can see here the fancy tassels, which is umbrella tassels, has been given here. Nowadays this saree is very famous. See the umbrella, which is an onion pink, fancy umbrella tassels been given here. And this is a silver sequence work with the blouse of the onion pink. This is a rocket silk. This is also beautiful saree. Next saree, which is a jerkin work, which is silver jerkin work. Dark purple color. This is a photo. The code is called MAD. MAD 2 is the code. I'll show you the saree, which is a chiffon based silver stone, which is a lightweight chiffon fabric. MAD 1, MAD 2 is the code. And this is the heavy silver jerkin with the saree. With the blouse, you can stitch the same way how the with the saree photocopy, the model shoot has been done. In this also you have a different color charts. This all sarees are having a beautiful color charts. Every saree will come in the box, which is a 6 colors individual box packing. I'll show you. The saree is batik pattern, which is very stylish. Mustard color with the half white. Okay. There's a beautiful saree which is kiwi prism. Kiwi prism, mustard color with bottle green with the chumki work. Kiwi prism is the photocopy. All these collections you can purchase. Black, everyone likes black, right? Georgette based, beautiful saree with the multiple thread work with the silver dotted stone, and the rainbow color lace thread work has been done. Camera, you can see highlight the rainbow color thread work, designer thread work, which is beautiful collections, which is RV2. RV2, this is the saree of the red color. Every saree you will have some photo colors will be some bit different colors. Next saree, which is a light onion pink with dark wine color combination. There is a piping work with the border with a foil print work. Foil print work. See, this is a saree fancy tassels, the piping work of the purple color. This is a smoke 2 is the code, golden foil print of the onion pinkish, and the beautiful jerry work with the different colors with the wine color combination, and the photocopy of the saree. You have seen, right? These all sarees are very pretty, very beautiful. Every design you will find out a color charts with the beautiful boxes. You can see at my background, this is a beautiful boxes you can find out in individual sarees, and every saree is a color charts of 6 colors. Hope you enjoyed these colors with the fancy blouse with saree fancy designer. These are very stylish look. It gives very pretty, beautiful look for every woman. You can also purchase to make your customers happy, retailers, boutique retailers. Order these collections quickly, around 400 rupees to 600 rupees I have showed you. Not mention the specific price, but you can have a huge multiple profit adding to your business to make your customers happy quickly. To add numbers over on the screen, just contact, do visit purchase, do online purchase, do video calling purchase. Pan India COD options are there, no damages. If damage is also coming, you'll have a replace option. So for the clothing business to start, Kesaria is giving you a gateway model franchisee support where you can quickly contact for the more details, and please follow the website, social media pages, subscribe the channel, let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video and what kind of collections you're looking. I'll also do the videos and share with you. Keep supporting me. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.